guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you a logo design process tutorial. And that tutorial you helped me to think of and create. A few days ago in my community and in my Telegram channel, on my both channels. If you don't know, I have a Russian channel. The link to the Russian channel will be below this video. In general, I wrote a post asking you to come up with logo. And you became not my students, you became my customers, and you sent to me about 25 ideas, and I chose one of them. And if you're interested in what idea I chose and how I create a logo based on this idea, then let's go. I took a task from my Russian channel. I loved an idea of my subscriber Alex. He asked me to create an eco-cosmetics brand logo, and it's called Dew. Primary colors green and turquoise, mood fresh, style minimalist, and font serif. Because it's fresh and eco logo, I needed to be inspired by nature. I didn't want to create a logo just with a drop of dew, but I wanted to create something with dew and a branch with leaves, and very modern, stylish, and cute and tender. And now are very popular logos with hand-drawn style, and I decided to create a logo in that style. If it's a hand-drawn style, I needed to draw a logo by my hands. I drew some options, different sizes and with different leaves. I created branch with leaves and around it some drops with a dew. So I selected one of the options. At first I wanted to choose something middle, but in the end I thought that I want to take the biggest one, this one. So I selected this one for my logo, and now here you see others options of my logo in hand-drawn style. So I created some logos with a big branch and drops of a dew, you see. And now I'm going to show you my primary option. Here it is. And now let me show it a little closer. You see, it's pretty cute and tender as I want it. Now I need to transfer that illustration to my computer. I need just to take a phone and to take a picture of my logotype, like that. Okay, I took a picture. You see, now it's in my phone. Now I will send that photo to my email and download it on my computer. Now the photo on my computer, I have not processed it anywhere in any program. Okay, now let's go to Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is the best program for a logo design, and now we need to turn the raster illustration into a vector illustration. Now let's open our illustration file, place, select the photo, place, hold and drag like that. Okay, move it here. Now go to window, image trace, and here we need to select these options are the same, and here select preview. Okay, now let's play a little with the slider to make our lines more smoother and softer. Okay, I like it. Now close the window, and you need to select here expand or object expand here, it's very necessary. Now ungroup an illustration, sometimes you need to do it twice. Select only black shapes and move them here, and delete all that trash here. Delete. Okay, now here is empty. Select that logo and move here. Now let's fix the problems here. Select the logo, go to Object, Path, Simplify, and here you can make fewer anchor points and make the shape a little softer. You need to play a little with the slider to see the result you'd like. Okay, I like it. Now I'm going to fix others' mistakes with help of Direct Selection tool and Smooth tool. Select Direct Selection tool, select the corner and round it. The same here. And if you can't round the corner, select Smooth tool and select the shape and just smooth the line you'd like to smooth. Okay, that way. And now Direct Selection tool. So the help of Direct Selection tool, you can round corners. And if you can't do it with help of Direct Selection tool, you can do it with help of Smooth tool. So I need only soft lines everywhere, so I'm going to round corners and smooth all shapes here. And if you have the mistake like this, you can move that shape closer to the branch like this, and the same here. You can select Smooth tool and smooth here that place. Okay, now let's round the corners. It's pretty easy. Okay, it's great. The illustration, one part of the logo is ready. Now let's group it. Select that color for the branch. Okay. Now let's create the text. This is my two fonts which I selected for my logo, and these are my colors for the logo. Now let's start to write the logo. Here due, here skin care, here select that Oxford regular font and the size 100. Now here select that font, Unisons thin caps, and the size is 25. And I want to make distance between letters about 400. I think it's more stylish. Yes, I like it. Now let's move the text a little down here. Okay, and select that color for the text. Now select the text and create outlines, and let's ungroup the text. Let's move the E closer to the W. Select the skincare, group it, and you need to be sure that S and D and E and W are matched. Okay, like that. A little down skincare, select Dew and group it. Now select all words and align them horizontal and group. Okay, now select turquoise color and ellipse tool and draw the ellipse like that, and select that point, move it a little up, that point a little down. It's like the drop of a dew. Okay, and now select it, copy and paste it, rotate it and make it smaller, and make it green color. Move here and select all shapes and send to back and move here. It's like a background for our logo. Okay, like that. Now let's select the branch, move here. You can make it smaller, you can rotate it, you can move, for example, it here. It's like it's the desire of your customer, and you need to speak about it with your customer. What does he want? Okay, now you can move, for example, that branch here. You can as well rotate it, move it here. For example, group the dew and shapes and move the branch in front, and you can select it and align it, but I think it's not work here. I think it's better to move and to make it as your eye see it. So you can make the logo bigger or smaller. Again, you need to talk about it with your customer. So guys, it's my option of Dew Eco Cosmetics brand logo. Now let me show you that logo in the real life with help of mockups. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe. And please write me in comments below, do you like logo design tutorials and do you want to see more tutorials like this? And see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah.